How to fix WhatsApp status quality problem. So the first thing you need to do is head over to WhatsApp and click on your profile icon in the bottom right. Then go to storage and data, then click upload quality and make sure that HD quality is selected. Then you need to go back out of everything and go to settings. Type in general, go to iPhone storage and then find WhatsApp. Open up WhatsApp and click offload app. What this will do is delete the app, but it will keep all of the data from the app. So when you go and reinstall it back, it's gonna fix itself. Or what you can alternatively do is go to the App Store directly right now and then update WhatsApp if it isn't already updated. So let's check if mine is updated. No, it's not. As you can see, it says update. So let's just update it right now. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.